So last week we will learn about the factorization of the prime numbers and divisibility method of the numbers. That is how can we divide how can we find out the division number. So which number can divide by the number easily. That's also we learned the last week. That methods are very useful to our. So today what we are going to learn, that is very helpful to that what we have learned in the earlier, that is very helpful to us, because if we know the table very well, we can easily do the sums easily. So that's why children, I already told, oftenly I told, read the tables, by heart the tables and thorough with the tables. Okay children, now today we are going to learn about LCM and HCF of the number. HCF means the highest common factor of any two non-zero whole numbers. See, the highest common factor of any two non-zero whole number. Non-zero whole number means, so it will not be a zero number. So zero we cannot divide the zero. So non-zero whole number. So that is a whole number only, but not a non-zero. It's a non-zero whole number means the natural number. So natural number started with 1, 2, 3, etc. No, that's all. So whole number is the largest common factor of both the numbers. Common factor of both the numbers. Both the what they given. So both means as a minimum 2 or maximum 2 also. Okay, so minimum you have to take 2 numbers. Let us see how to find out the number. See, that means common factor means which can we divide the number commonly, which number. For example, I am going to give one example, 8 and 12. Just take 8 and 12. 8, we need to divide the number 8 and 12. Already we know that the factor of the 8 and 12. So factor of the 8 means 8 can divide by 1 table, yes, 2 table and 4 table and 8 table also. Yes or no? So it can divide by 1 table, 2 table, 4 table and 8 table. And 12 also can divide by 1 table. Yes, it comes in 2 table and 3 table also and 4 table also and 6 table. Yes, okay children. See the sum. So first of all, you list out the factors of the factors of the number given numbers. So 8 can divide by 1 table, 2 table, 4 table and 8 table, and 12 table can divide by 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4 table and 6 table. See, 1 8s are 8, 1 8s are 8, 2 4s are 8. Yes or no? 1 6 2 6 are 12. Yeah, one more number 12 also. 1 12s are 12, 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12. So how many factors are there? Is 8 having 4 factor and 12 having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 factors are there. So first you list out the factor. After that, you just find out the common factor for the both number. Common factor means, see, 1 1s are common. So no need to take 1 table because all the number having 1 table. So no need to take is common. So next to 2 table, 2 and 2. Yes or no children? See. So this number also can divide by 2 table and 12 also can divide by 2 table. So this is both the common factor of 2 table. Next number what it is? 3. Here is 3 but here 3 is not there. So next number is 4 and here also 4. So here 8 the given, but here 8 is not here. 6 and 12 also not there. So see, among these two factors, so 8 and 12 can divide by 2 table commonly and 4 table commonly. So among these two factors, which one is the greatest? What are they? Very good. 4 is the greatest one. So therefore, the HCF of 8 and 12 is 4. Are you understand now? First of all, the first step one is first list out the factor for given number. Then after that, you just circle the around of the common factors. What are the given? Whatever you find, no? Then after that, among the given common factor, which one is the greatest number? 2 or 4? Which one great? 4 is the greatest one. So this 4 is a HCF of the both the number. That means, so 4 can divisible by for the 4 only divides the 4, 8 and 12. So it's a common, already told, no? The greatest, the largest common factor. So that is the important largest common factor of the both the numbers. So the largest common factor is 4. That is, it is called the highest common factor, or in the short form HCF. Okay children? Now let us see the LCM. LCM. L stand for least, C stand for common, M stand for multiple. Least common multiple. Least means smallest of the any two non-zero whole number. Non-zero whole number already told what is the mean. It is natural number. So not a zero. Is the smallest common multiple of both the number. So in HCF, we will find out the highest common factor. Yes or no? But in LCM, we will see the smallest common multiple. Multiple means table. Multiple means table. So here also 3 steps is there. Step 1. First of all, you list out the multiple of the given number. Step 2. Next you mark the common multiple of the both the number. And step 3. Among the common multiple, which one is very least? That is take it as a LCM. Okay children. Now we will take one example. Find out the LCM of 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. So first of all, what is the step 1? First step is you list out the table of the 3. What is the table 3? 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are 27, 30, 33, 36, etc. In 4 table, 4 table, 1 4s are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, etc. As I know children. So first step is over. That is, first you list out the multiple of the both the number. Step 2. What is the step 2? Now you just mark the common multiple of the both the number. So here 3 is given. 3 is not common for all. So what are the next one? 6, 9 and next 12. 12 common. What are the next one? See? Yeah, very good. 24 common. Next one? 27, 28, 30. There is, yes, this is last one. 36 common. So etc. means numbers are endless. So therefore, tables also endless. So that's why I'm putting etc. symbol. Okay children? Okay, step 1 is over. Step 2 also over. What is the step 3? So among these 3 common multiple, which one is least? See, 36 is the biggest one and 24 also biggest if we compare to 12. So which one is the very least one? That is smallest one. Yes, 12. So therefore LCM equal to 12 because what was the rule? The smallest common multiple is called as the LCM of the number. Okay, children? So, in HCF, we have to find the highest common divisor. That is factor. But in LCM, we have to find out the smallest common multiple. That is a table. Okay? Okay, children? Let us see the next one. How to do the same number in the division method. Let us see the next example. Okay, children. Now we are going to see some examples how to find out the HCF and LCM. Okay. See, let us take an example number 30 and 42. 30 and 42. Here we are going to find out the LCM and HCF. 30. So already I told in division method, first of all, to find out the HCF LCM, first of all, step one is first you factorize the given number by division method. So step 1, first factorize the number 30. So how can we? So here 30 is the even number. So you started with 2 table. In prime factorization method, you have to use only prime numbers. Okay. So I started with 2. In 2 table, 30 how many times come? Yes, 15 times. 15 2s are 30. Yes. Next 15. 15 is divisible by, it not come divisible by 2 table. So next you try 3 table. Yes. So 15 will come in 3 table. How many times? 5 times. Next 5 is the prime number. So 5 it can divisible by the same number. How many times? 1 time. Next take 42. So 42 also even number. So have to take, you started with the 2 table. In how many times come? In 4. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1 2s are 2. So 21 2s are 42. Yes or no, children? Next 21 is it's not an even number, so you try with the next number 3 table. Yes, in 3 table how many times come? 7 times. So 7 1 is 7. So step 1 is over. First of all, you factorize the given number like that. Step 2, now you just write the factors for each number. In 30, 2 into 3 into 5 into 1. 1 is common, no need to write for everyone. This next to 42, 2 into 3 into 7 into 1. Yes or no, children? So among this number, now we are going to find out the LCM at the same time HCF. In HCF means what? Yes. HCF means, first of all, you write the common factor for the both. You just mark the common factor. Here 2 2s are common and 3 3s are common. Yes or no, children? Yes or no? So HCF is equal to, so commonly 2 is there and 3 is there. You just take it as one time. 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. So HCF of this 2 number is 6. That means 6 table is commonly divide this number both. Okay. Next is LCM. LCM is another same method. First of all, you have to take the common number. What are the common number? Like HCF, 2 into 3, isn't it? So next, what is the remaining in the rest of 3 table? 30th number. 5 is the remaining, so take it as 5 also. And this factor 42, 7 is there remaining, so take 7. So 1, no need to take 1 because whatever multiply by 1, we will get the same answer. So next, just multiply this 2 number evenly, or step by step only have to do it. Easily you can do it. First I am going to multiply this 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 into 5 into 7. Next I am going to multiply this 2. 6 5s are 30. 30 into 7. Next 0 7s are 0. 7 3s are 21. So therefore LCM is equal to 20, 210. Therefore HCF is equal to 6 and LCM is equal to 210. Okay children? So that means now I give the one more example. So first, what was the first step? First of all, you list out first we find out factors for both the number. Step 2, then you mark the common factors for both the given number. Next, HCF means among the factor which is the common, you just take it at one time and multiply the number. So 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6 is the HCF of the given number. Next LCM, the same method. First you write the common factors for both for the one time. Next, whatever rest in both the factors, just take it. So in 30, 5 is remaining, so into 5. In the 42, 7 is remaining, so you have to take for 7. So next, after that, you just multiply all the number. First, I step by step, I do the multiply. 2 3s are 6, 5 into 7. Next I multiply this 2. 6 5s are 30 into 7. 37s are 210. Okay children? So the highest common factor of both the number is 6. The least common multiple is the both number is 210. Okay children? If is the last sum, if they given 2 number means we will find out LCM and HCF. Other than if they given 3 number means, just example, I'll just take it 35, 105 and 75. If they given 3 numbers are given means, how do we find out the LCM and HCF? So now I am going to take the common divisor method. See, all the numbers ended with 5. Yes or no? So it can divide by 5 table. So commonly I am going to take 5 table. In 5 table 35 how many times come? 7 times. 7 5s are 35, comma. Put comma like that. Next 105. 105 means in first take 10. 10 5 times. In 5 table 2 times come. Then 1 time. 21 5s are 105. Then put comma. You just put it evenly. Next is 75. 75 how many times come? Yes, first take 7. In 7, 1 5s are 5, remainder 2, 25. 5 5s are 25. So 15 5s are 75. Next see, here the given number is 7 and 21 and 15. Yes or no? Okay, see, in this table, in this number, which number is commonly divided all the number? If anything is there? No. 7 will come in 21, but in 7 also will not come in 15. 1 7s are 7, 3 7s are 21, but 15 will not come in 7 table. So then therefore, so the 7 is not equal to any other number. So what is the HCF of the number? Common HCF is highest common divisor for all the 3 the number. So here HCF is equal to what? 5. Okay. Next LCM. LCM, next listen. So in 7 table, 21 will come, but 15 will not come. So you don't take it 15. Just divide the number 7 and 21. 7 is a prime number, so take 7. Okay. Otherwise, don't take 7. Otherwise, you see the number in 7 table 21 will come. How many times come? 3 times. In 3 table 15 will come. So next choice to 5 after next choice what? 3. So take 3 in 3 table. 7 will not come in 3 table. So 7, just put it like this. Next in 3 table 21 7 time will come. In 3 table 15 5 time will come. So after all, all the 3 number 7 is common. So 7 table, take 7 table 1 time, then 5 time. Next at last take 5 table 1 1 5 is 5. See, the first one only the HCF of the 3 number. Other is all what? LCM, yes. So LCM 5 into whatever is given the remaining 3, 5, 7. You just put it all 3, 7 and 5. Whatever it is, no problem. So 5 3s are 15. 15 into 7 into 5. Yes, next 5 is 2. 7 5s are 35. Carrying remaining 3. So 1 7s are 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 105. 105 into 5. What will come? Yes, 525. So LCM is there, and find out the LCM and HCF means. How to find out? Just I'm going to take 25, 30, 75 and 10. If they given like that means, or I told no, first of all is put the common divisor like this. 25, 35, just see all the numbers are ending with 50, 50. So this can be divisible by 5 table. Yes or no? So now I started with the 5. In 5 table 25 minutes will come 5 times, 30 6 times. This is how many times come? 15 times, and this is 2 times. Yes or no? Next see the number. In 5 table 15 will come, but 2 and 6 will not come. So what is the HCF of the 4 number? 5 only HCF of. So therefore HCF is equal to 5. Remainder all has to what? Yes. So next we will take a 5 table. So in 5 table 1 time. 6 will not divide into 5 tables, so just put it down. In 15, the 3 time will come, and next will not divided by 5 tables, just keep it down. Next, see what other number is there? Yes, 6 and 2, it comes in 2 table, so I am going to do 2 table 1 time. So in 6 table, 6 number is divided by 3 times. And 3 will not divided by 2 tables, so just keep it down. Next 2 will come 1 time. Next see what is the common? 3. So 1 1 1 1. So HCF only 5 only commonly divides all the 4 numbers. So HCF is equal to 5. Others are the product of the factors called as the LCM. So what are the LCM number? LCM is equal to 5 into 5, 2 into 3. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 2 into 3. 25 2s are 50. 50 into 3. 50 into 3s are 150. So there is LCM. Okay, children, see. So this was very easy only. Now I'm going to give some sums as a homework. You just do at home. If you have any doubt, please call me. Yeah, subject teacher. Okay, thank you, children. Now let us see the one more the important property, that is relation between the numbers and the HCF and LCM. What is the relation between HCF and LCM and the given number? Let us take, the formula is the product of given number is equal to the product of HCF and LCM. This is the relation between HCF, LCM and the given number. For example, I am going to take any two number, just take 32 and 40. Okay. First of all, you multiply this, first you find out the HCF and LCM of these two number. What is the number will come? First you take two table and 1 time 16 time will come and 20 time. Again two table 8 time, 10 time. Again two table 4 time and 5 time. So at last 2 table 2 time and 5 time. Because 5 will not come in the 2 tables, just keep it down. And 2 table 1 time and 5 time is a 5 table. So in 5 table at last 1 time. So first they ask me the HCF. What is the HCF for this number? This first 3 only common divisor for all. Okay. So therefore HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. This is HCF of the number. And what is the LCM of the number? Whatever given, all the factors should write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 2s are there. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So how many 2s are there? 5 2s are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. So 32 into 5. What the answer will come? 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 16. 160. LCM is equal to 160. Okay. So just see the number. So first you just take two numbers 32 and 40. First factor is prime the first just find the factorization for the number. So first 3 number only can use it the commonly. So this take as a HCF. Other number take it as a LCM. HCF equal to 8 and LCM equal to 160. So what they given, product of the given number is equal to HCF and LCM. So what the number, product of the number is. Now we have to prove the number is. We are going to prove it. Product of the number. What the number is given? 32 into 40. Yes. Is equal to LCM. What is the HCF? 8 into LCM equal to 160. Just take the number in 40 table. 40 table means 4 table. Just put 0. 4 2s are 8. 3 2 3 4s are 12. 1,280. Next, divide this number, multiply this number. 0 time 8 for 6 are 48. Carrying 4. 1 8 are 8. 12. See the number. See the result. 32 into 40. What is the answer we will get now? The same answer we will get in the product of the LCM and HCF. See. So therefore, the product of the given number is equal to product of the HCF and LCM of the given number. First you put it on 80, 100 and 120 liter. So all the numbers ending with 0, 0, 0. So it can divisible by 2 table. In factorization method we have started with the small number only. So small prime only. So it is all a even number. In 20 time, and this is 25 time, and this one 30 time. So the all the numbers ending with 0 and 5, so it can divisible by what was the next number? Yes, 5 table. Then 5 table 4 time, 5 time and 6 time. Okay, see at last what is the number is there? 4 table, 4 number 4, 5 and 6. 4 and 6 will come in 2 table but 5 will not come in the 2 table. So we need HCF, we just stop at it only because HCF means the greatest the highest common factor. So common factor, so 2 and 2 into 2, 5 only, commonly divided all the number, but the 4 and 5 and 6 will not come in the same table, so you just stop it. If they are asking the LCM means you can divide it up to 1, okay. So what was the volume of the vessel? So which, I listen, in a liter means 1 liter can, 2 liter can, or 4 liter can, 5 liter, whatever it is, we can measure it evenly. But in the maximum number of factor is what? So if you take 20 liter can, we can easily divide it into all the milk. Okay children, please start. Okay children, let us see the next 7th one. The traffic lights at 3 different road junctions changes after every 40 seconds, 60 seconds and 72 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously together at 8 a.m. at the junctions, at what time will they simultaneously change together again? See, in this sum what they given? So in the traffic, already I think I know all us saw the traffic light, isn't it? In the traffic, you see the signal line. So here the signal, the 3 signals are there. 40 seconds, one will change after 40 seconds, the second will change after 60 seconds, and third will change after 72 seconds. So if they change after like that simultaneously means in 8 a.m. means, so again what time it will change together, that will be asked. So that means we need to find out the LCM for the number. How to find out LCM of the number? So LCM means what the numbers are given. 40, 60 second and 72 second. So all the numbers can divided by what table? 2 table, 20 time, 30 time and 3 twos are 6, 6 twos are 12. Again 2 table, 10 time, 15 time, then 18 time. Again what table will divide it? Yes, it can divisible by, yes, Sima, the HCF means we can top up this only. But LCM means we have to find out up to 1. So in what table we will take now again? So 3 table, if you take 2 table, so 10 will come 5 times and 15 will not come, so no need to divide it, just put it down. Then 18 will divide it 9 times. Again 5 will divide by this all 1 time, 3 times, 9. Again 3 table will come 1 into 3. So what is the last? So last number is okay. So first to take 2 table, 20 time, 30 time and 36 time. Again next 2 table, 10 time, 15 time and 18 time. Again we will take so 10 and 8, 15 will come 5 table and 15 and 18 come 3 table. First so we will select 3 table, 10, 15, so 15 will come in 5 table, 5 time and 8, 6 time. Again we will select 5 table, how many times come? Yes, 2 time, 1 time, 6 will not divide it, so just leave it. In 2 table, 1 time, 3 times. So plus 3, 1, 1, 1. So what is the LCM of the number? So LCM is equal to, so C1 2 into 2 into 2, 3 2s are there. So 2 into 2 into 2. How many 3 is there? 2 2 3 is there. 3 into 3 and 5. Just you write in the ascending order. So arrange the factors in the ascending order. So see 1 2 3 3 2s are there, 2 3s are there, and 1 5 is there. Now we just multiply it all. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Yes or no? 3 3s are 9 into 5. Just first multiply this 3 and this 2 and 5. 8 9s are 72. 72 into 5. It's less than 36. 360. So LCM is equal to 360. 360 seconds. 360 seconds. 1 minute it takes 60 minutes. 60 seconds. So 360 second means, what was that minutes? How many minutes it will be? Yes, 6 minutes. So it changes to 6 minutes. Therefore, after 8 o'clock, the traffic light will change simultaneously. Change at the time is together at after 8 plus 6 minutes. Very good. What's the time? 8 o'clock 6 minutes. So up together. So therefore, children, let's see the next sum. 8th one. The LCM of two numbers is 210 and the HCF is 14. How many such pair possible? Okay, already I told the relation between HCF and LCM. What is the relation between HCF and LCM? What was the rule? Do you know that? Yes. The product of the any two number, given number. The product of the given number is equal to LCM and HCF of the given number. Yes or no? Already we learned, isn't it? So here what they given? First of all, write the given. Given is LCM is equal to LCM of number, LCM of any number, LCM of the number, LCM is equal to 210 and HCF is equal to 14. Okay, well, just let us take the two number. Let the two number is two numbers B. First number B X and the second number B Y. Just take it like that. So what was the rule? Product of the numbers. Product of the numbers is equal to LCM into HCF of the given number. Yes or no, children? Product of the given number is equal to LCM and HCF of the given number. So we don't know what is the product of the number. What is the number is there? X into Y. X into Y is equal to LCM of X, X comma Y into HCF of X into Y. Yes, and X comma Y. That means X comma Y or LCM, HCF also. X comma Y or HCF. Yes, and children. Let us take the number. So we don't know what is the number. Both the number we don't know what it is. So just see this. First take the number. LCM. What is the LCM? 210 into 14. So this number is X into Y. X into Y. So if we take X into Y, listen. So these two numbers are equal to each other. So if one number is 14 means other number means 210. Yes or no? X into Y means X into Y, it's Y, that means one number is 2, X is 210 means Y is 14. If so, therefore the there are two pairs. If we take x, because already told it, this number, this answer will be equal to this answer. Yes or no, children? So therefore, if x is 210 means y is 14. But y is taken, so x will be 14 means y will be 210. Okay. So the pair is 210 comma 14 or 14 comma 210. That's a how many pair means 2 pairs. What is the answer is 2 pairs. Okay children, let us see the ninth one. The LCM of two numbers is 6 times their HCF. If the HCF is 12 and one of the numbers is 36, then find the other number. Okay children, in this sum what they given? So in this sum they given HCF of the number is 12 and one of the clue is there. LCM also is given. What is LCM? LCM is 6 times of HCF. 6 times of HCF. And the one number is 36 means what is the other number? That's all. So what is the given? The given is, first the given HCF is equal to 12 and LCM is equal to what? 6 times of HCF. What is HCF here? 6 into 12. 6 12s are 72. So LCM is equal to 72. First you find out the LCM. Now what is the formula? Product of the given number is equal to what? HCF and LCM. So what is the other one given? One number is equal to 36. Now we have to find out other number. Other number. That is question mark. So the one number 36 into the other number equal to LCM into HCF. There's a formula now. So what is LCM? LCM what do we find out now? 72. So 72 into 12 equal to 36 into other number. Okay, I shortly write other. So we need other number. Other number means you just bring 36 to that side. So 72 into 12, 36 comes in divided as divided because when it add will go to that side become minus, then multiply if you go to that side it become divide. Okay, so it will change as divide. So which table we will take? Yeah, first we take 12 table. In 12 table 1 time, 3 times. Again 72 by 3 is there. Again by 3 table 1 time. 2 3s are 6, 4 days are 12. So therefore 24. Therefore the other number is equal to 24. The other number is what? 24. If you want to check your answer means just multiply these two numbers 36 and 24. You just multiply it. Whatever answer you gave it, you got it now. That number is equal to product of this number. So 72 into 12 also will come in the same answer. Okay. So that is the answer.